I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Hi guys!
And for the first time in a long time,
Ngayon po December 31. Nagpre-prepare kami ng aming handa for the New Year. Ayan. Nagbabalot ako ng lumpia. It's already marinated or timplado na. Nagpre-prepare kami ngayon yung aming ihanda para pagsalusaluhan sa bagong taon.
Pansit kayo dyan. Pansit mo na may kasama. So,
Luluto naman si Mama dyan ng pansit. Pampahaba ang kasiyaan. Alright. Ayan. Maligayang bagong taon po sa inyong lahat, mga kawalan tundra. Ayan. Sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, nakaraos na sila ng New Year. Dito sa amin, ngayon pa lang kami na prepare para sa New Year. Alas 5 pa lang dito, alas 5:30 ng hapon. 7 more hours, mag-New Year na. Mag-New Year na kami. Mag-New Year! Magpaputok ako mamaya ng laban na doon. Ayan. Nagawa ko ng lumpiang hiniling. Labantador. Alright. Happy New Year po sa inyo lahat. Mabati po ako ng isang mapagpalang bagong taon sa lahat po ng nanonood ng mga videos ko. Thank you so much. Nagsiselebrate kasi nga ngayon ng New Year. Just a family. Alright. Ha?
may flash box.
Ito, sa taas. Oh, yung ano, tataas
Open
lang.
lang yan.
Ito may isa.
Sige nga.
Okay na yan?
Sige nga, ayan o. I-test try mo. Try ng...
Ito, dito na.
Ayan pala, ito.
Oh.
Ayan.
Dito na lang? Dito na lang.
Ayan. Picture daw.
Oh,
Nagpi-picture kami.
Ay, hindi na gagawin yung ano.
Ayan. Picture daw. Mga Pilipino. Ay.
Yung iba na upo na lang.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year to my vlog. Bakit? Kailin daw?
Happy New Year, Philippines!
It's done already. Siksikan na lang.
Alright guys. Kain na! Kain tayo, kain! Ayan, ito yung aming konting pinagsasalo-saluhan. Simpleng celebration sa New Year. It's just a family. Pamilya lang po. Alright. Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Bali ang oras sa amin is alas 8 pa lang. 4 na oras pa ang hihintayin namin para mag yung New Year. Alright. Wala tayong soft drinks, no?
Ito mo nalagay na.
Guys, kain na. Nakain na kami. Kumakain na yung...
Meron kang pansin din sa
Sabi mga
baba nila,
Donatos,
yung parang lucis.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Yung maliliit, nakita ko may kandila sa baba.
Ano yun?
Lucis, ang maliliit yung
Kain na tayo mga kawaray tundra.
Yan kayo ni Nick sa ano, labas.
Pwede nga dun tayo.
Indian nyo. Mamaya, pwede.
Sasalo-saluhan yung aming kaunting nakayanan. Ayan, yung aming kaunting nakayanan.
Exhibition.
Nag-exhibition yung aking camera.
Why are you targeting me, Zion?
Alright. Mga luto lahat yan ni Commander. Saka ng
You
Junakis
guys
ko.
excited? You going back to the Philippines?
Ano sabi sa'yo?
Alright guys.
You going back to the Philippines for the whole month of May?
Kain muna tayo.
No, we're only gonna be there for
No, I don't know.
Alright guys, ito nagkakasiyahan na oh.
I don't know this one too.
Nagkakantahan na. Yan. Yan. Kami nga lang ata yung maingay. Yan. Medyo lilibangin na natin yung ating mga sarili dito.
Angry and sad about the things that you do. I can't forget the times that I told you through. When you go, when you stand
Commander.
you know that you won't be away too long.
Nagkakasiyahan na.
You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and think and you're under.
Alright.
One more look and you forget.
Samahan nyo kami mag New Year. Let's go guys. Happy New Year guys.
How can I resist you?
Ayan.
Does it show again?
Seen a lot
Happy
of
New Year.
change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Ilang minuto
But
na lang.
all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where
Time
it
check,
stays.
11:55.
Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
Happy New
I've seen a
Year.
lot of change,
Alright.
been through a lot of pain.
Ayan. Dito lang yan sa siyano namin sa lugar namin. Ayan. Happy New Year po sa lahat. Alright. That. Happy New Year! Alright. 12 o'clock. Happy New Year. Happy New Year na. Happy New Year, Ma'am. Happy New Year. Dito lang sa Happy New Year, Rex. Parang Happy New Year, Rex. Happy New Year.
Pero meron pang fireworks kumaya.
Happy New Year po sa lahat. Ayan o. Happy New Year sa... Happy New Year. He's drinking. He's drinking. He's drinking. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Come on. Kiss mo na si Papa. Kiss. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year mga kawalang sundra!
Right. Ayan o. Ito yung New Year sa amin o. Happy New Year. Napaputok. Wala. Kaingay-ingay sa kalsada. Ayan. Kami lang atang pinakamaingay dito eh. Ayun. May nagpaputok. Ayun. 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 Come here. Get inside. Get inside. Tapos. Tapos na. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Jordan. Alright. Guys, Happy New Year. Ayan, meron doon. Ayun. Meron. Ito si kapitbahay ko, oh. Nag-aano siya ng kanyang fireworks. Ayan, puputukan na. Alright. Happy New Year, Jordan! Happy New Year! Nagpuputukan na. Ayun, putukan. Ito yung celebration, kanya lang mag-celebrate dito. Alright! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, you're good. Stay here. You're good. You're good. Natatakot siya. Natatakot sa putukan yan eh. Yan o. Natatakot. Wala na putukan. Tapos na. Where are you going? Alright guys, bago po ako magtapos, nais ko po kong bumating muli sa inyong lahat ng maligayang bagong taon. Naway maging progreso ang darating na taon sa ating lahat, mga kawaray tundra. Alright, maraming salamat po at muli Happy New Year po sa lahat. Alright, bye bye.